Namaskar and hello everyone. Do you know, friends, what is one of the most important mindset you need to develop as an investor? Well, it is to have a mindset of investing in business rather than stocks. Let me share a fact with you. Around 4 crore new Demat accounts have opened in last 2 years, which means many new investors have entered equity market to create wealth for themselves and to fulfill their life financial goals. But most investors have mindset of buying stocks for 1 month or for 1 year, and they keep on regular churning their portfolios. It may be exciting in the short term when the market supports upward movements while you are trading in the market, but it will not remain same forever. These investors never pause for a moment to think about the business of the company that they are willing to invest their hard-earned money. They tend to put their money where their brokers, their friends, relatives, and associates advise them to. Remember, investment can never outperform the underlying business, especially in the long term. This may one truth that escapes most of the investors. And they end up repeating the same mistakes over and over again. When you invest in stocks after understanding the business with a long-term approach, you enjoy a peaceful journey with your investments because you have the confidence to stay invested through ups and downs of the market cycles in equity markets. Ben Graham and Warren Buffett, two great investors which we have seen, emphasized that there is no difference between buying a business and shares in a business. When you buy a share of a company, you become a part owner of that business. However, you become a silent owner. So you need to make sure that you are comfortable with what the business does, how it operates, how it makes money, and understand how the management makes decision and allocates its capital. Keep in mind, behind every stock is a company that should be making money. Let me explain this from a quote from a great investor whom I admire the most. Charlie Munger, partner of Warren Buffett, says a great company keeps working when you are not. A great company will eventually earn more and more and more while you are just sitting and doing nothing. And a mediocre company will not do this. So friends, to summarize, focus on buying great businesses with a fantastic capital allocation framework of management and have a long-term approach to hold such company to create real good wealth for yourself, which will help you to fulfill your financial goals. So let's strive to dream, plan, and achieve. Take care, be safe, enjoy your life, and happy, peaceful investing. Thank you. Namaskar.